Keep dancing, Ellie. Mira, are you going to stand up and dance? Show us how that dress twirls. They're dancing. Can you say thank you to Auntie Anne, Uncle Sean, Genevieve, and Emma?
Can
you say thank you?
Thank you.
And Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. Can I see?
Ellie, can you say hi?
Hello.
Can you say hi, Ellie?
Ellie, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you wave bye-bye?
Can you say bye-bye?
Ellie, tell Mama bye-bye.
All right.